Welcome to the Royal Calcutta Turf Club. Sunday, 13 January 2019 is the day that we've all been waiting for this season. The day of the running of the Calcutta Derby Stakes 1819 Grade 1. A card of 8 runners for the Calcutta Derby, the clash of the titans. Let's find out who's going to come out and win the Calcutta Derby this year.
Calcutta Derby tomorrow, 13 Jan. We have Angelino running. He's a full brother to Angel Dust, who won us the Summer Derby and the Winter Derby. Anyway, he's well bred. He's a horse that we know will stay. The horse to beat is Adjudicate. She's done everything right this season. James has done a good job, and that's the horse to beat, so hopefully we'll try and beat her.
I have trainer Arjun Manglokar with me from Bangalore, and he's got point to prove running the Calcutta Derby. Let's find out what his thoughts are on the Derby. Hi Arjun, welcome to Calcutta. You have a point to prove in the Calcutta Derby tomorrow.
Yeah, I think my horse stays, so he will get the 1.5 miles, and it's the Calcutta Derby, and we are hopeful.
Great. And what do you think is your danger in the Derby?
The filly has done nothing wrong, so I would give the first choice to her.
I have champion trainer Vijay Singh with me, and he's got 3 runners in the Calcutta Derby tomorrow. Let's find out his views on the Derby.
Well, I've got 3 runners this year in the Derby, and out of the 3 I've got 1 colt and 2 fillies. Advika was a little unfortunate because when she ran in the Oaks, her saddle had slipped. She found herself out there in front, and the jockey really couldn't do very much on her. But I hope this time, he'll be able to do a much better job, and provided the saddle doesn't slip again. Ashna's been a bit of a disappointment, but she has the pedigree to stay, so I'm hoping for the best. She had a very good winter season last year, and I hope she could at some stage tomorrow redeem herself. Hoping for the best. Shivansh, of course, won me the Monsoon Derby. He is a good long distance horse, and I hope I've given him a good rider in Sandesh, and I hope he could do it for me as well.
I have the man of the moment with me, trainer James McKeown, and he's got the best filly running the Calcutta Derby tomorrow. She's won the 1,000 guineas and then the 2,000 guineas. Let's take his views on the Derby. James, your views on the Derby.
I think at the end of the day, any Derby, usually the horse that stays the best, that is the best that wins. So first thing, you have to stay. So I've given my filly some time since the 2,000 guineas to get her to settle, and I'm very happy with her. I'm pretty confident that she will.
And she's got the best rider riding her, David Allen. He's ridden her in the 1,000 and the 2,000 guineas, and now the Derby tomorrow, and it should be an exciting race. Your views on that?
Yes, it should be. We'll see. It's 8 runners, so hopefully it shouldn't be, they're all decent jockeys, so it shouldn't be any sort of traffic trouble or anything like that. So yeah, I think it'll be a good race.
Any kind of threat?
Yeah, I mean, anything that stays is always a threat in those races. So I think that, don't know, actually I haven't gone 1.5 miles before. So other than that, that's my main danger, I think.
And for all our patrons, $1 million question, is she going to be able to take the trip?
I'm fairly confident, yes. She's given me every sign that she will, so I have no doubt about it currently.
Well done, James, and I hope you win the Derby tomorrow.
Thank you very much.
Calcutta Winter Derby is the race in the Calcutta racing calendar, which we all look forward for. It attracts a very good stake money and some top horses from the other states. I was very fortunate to win 2 Winter Derby, with one with Corsair and last year with Aggregated. This year I have Oriana, who is won the Calcutta Oaks, which stayed the 1.5 mile trip very well. We're hoping for the best with Suraj up and all the best. Let the best horse win.
He's ridden some Derby winners back in his time. He's trained some Derby winners. Ladies and gentlemen, I have veteran trainer R.W. Alford with me. Let me take his views of the Derby tomorrow. Your views on the Derby?
Well, I don't see this Adjudicate getting beat tomorrow.
Any kind of threat to Adjudicate, according to you?
I don't think really.
So you think it's going to be a one-horse race with Adjudicate all the way, with David Allen?
On paper, yes, it should. I think.
At the RCTC. He's won the Derby 5 times. Unfortunately, he's not riding the Derby this year. But let's take his views on the Derby. Ladies and gentlemen, Christopher Alford. Chris, your views on the Derby?
The Derby is a very nice race, and everyone dreams to win a Derby. So it's Adjudicated's time to win the Derby this year. She's done brilliantly in the 1000 and the 2000. So I don't see any threat for her getting beat on this Derby tomorrow.
You did ride Adjudicate in her lung opener, the first run this season. And tell me about her, more about her.
She's a changed filly from the first run to the next 2 runs which she's had. She's matured, she's better now, she's stronger now. And the trainer James is doing a brilliant job. And it just, unfortunately, I don't get the opportunity to ride her, but that's the way life goes. But she's a great filly for tomorrow.
And $1 million question, will she be able to stay the trip?
It is $1 million question. She should stay the trip. There shouldn't be a problem. If she doesn't stay the trip, then it's an open card for anyone else to win it. And good luck to the others.
So we hope to see Adjudicate coming out and winning the Derby, and unless there's an upset.
Yeah, and never know what it's racing. You never know what could happen.
Thank you so much, Chris. I have jockey Hindu Singh with me, who's fairly having a good season this year. And he's the one who's been working on Adjudicate, the firm favourite for the Calcutta Derby Stakes tomorrow. Let's find out his views on the Calcutta Derby and, most importantly, on Adjudicate. तो हिंदू, आप Adjudicate को काम दे रहे हो. आप बताओ Adjudicate के बारे कुछ बताओ.
सर, थोड़ी काम बहुत अच्छा जा रही है, कंडीशन बहुत अच्छा है, और मेरे हिसाब से तो ट्रैक वर्क ऑल द वे सब बहुत अच्छा कर रही है, और एवरी डे इम्प्रूव कर रही है अपना हर स्टाइल. और लास्ट टाइम जो 2000 गिनी भी जीती है, उसके बाद में भी घोड़ी इम्प्रूव हुई है, और हमेशा ट्रैक वर्क भी कर रही है, तो ऑल द वे इम्प्रूव होती जा रही है.
So, ladies and gentlemen, Hindu Singh thinks Adjudicate has improved after its last run, and she's the one that they all have to beat tomorrow in the Calcutta Derby. She has vastly improved, and condition has improved as well. So they all have to beat Adjudicate in the Calcutta Derby. I have the president of the Calcutta Bookmakers Association with me, Mr. Anil Sharma. Let's find out his views on the Derby and what would be the probable odds on the Calcutta Derby Stakes that will be run tomorrow. Mr. Anil Sharma, hello, and if you could just give us the probable odds, run us through the Calcutta Derby with the probable odds for tomorrow.
The local challenger Adjudicate is in great form. He will be the odds-on favourite around 75 paisa.
Okay.
Oriana, who also ran a good race, 4.5. The outstation challengers Angelino Barbaresco around 8-1. The rest all at higher odds, 15-20.
And lastly, your pick for the Derby.
Being a bookmaker, Adjudicate, no. I would like to lay the horse. Anyone else, I'm happy.
Right. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So, ladies and gentlemen, we've heard it from the professionals. They've given their views on the Calcutta Derby Stakes tomorrow. Let's wait and watch as to what's going to come out and win the Calcutta Derby 2018-19 Grade 1. We'll see you at the races.